All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get into the second example here. Before I do, I want to do a correction for example 1. Here, I messed up. And I kind of, you saw me pause and think about it, and something was going wrong in my head. This isn't correct. What made this independent down here for the answer was the fact that the double highlighted ones, so this one, this one, this one, and this one, count for 4 out of our 16, which simplifies to 1/4. And because the probability of A, right here, which is 1/2, and the probability of B multiplied together equaled 1/4, and the probability of A and B double highlighting is 1/4, that means this is independent because that's the check. In an independent event, the probability of A times the probability of B equals the probability of A and B. So if we're testing to see if it is independent, we just find the probability of A, probability of B, multiply them together, and see if it equals the probability of A and B. So, or the overlap. All right, now that that correction is done, I don't know what I was thinking. Sorry, we got that corrected. Let's move on. Here I've got a lot of things already worked out. Let's talk about them. In this case, we've got a group of 4 students to include 1 boy, 3 girls. Teacher's going to randomly choose 2 positions. The first question is, what's the probability of choosing a girl first? So anywhere I see G before B, it doesn't matter if it's G1, G2, or G3. That just means girl 1, girl 2, girl 3. They don't have names. Okay, we just know that they're girls. And the girl 1, girl 2, girl 3 are being chosen. Well, where G is first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The other 3 times the boy was randomly chosen first, so those don't count. Now, I do know that there's a total of 12 because 9 plus the 3 I didn't use is 12. So I know there's a total of 12 entries, which is where this 12 came from. In this case, for the probability of girl was chosen first, I know that I have 9 possibilities. Well, that simplifies down to 3/4, which is what I got here. Then the choosing a girl second, well, what we'd have to do is go ahead and look at erasing all these highlights and kind of starting over. Okay, so here we go. If the G comes second, well, the first 3 all B's, then there's a G second, G second, G second, G, 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 and G. So that's another 9 out of my total 12 possible, which simplifies down to 3/4. Now, if this were an independent event, I would need to look at where a girl comes first and a girl comes second as well. So really, I'm solving 3 problems in one. So here, I'm going to look at the idea that there is no B at all. So no B, no B, no B, no B, no B, no B. The others all have a B either first or second. So I can see that 6 out of my possible 12, there is no B. So that means it's my overlap. It's where a girl is chosen first and a girl is chosen second. So 6/12 simplifies down to 1/2. Now, if this is an independent event, I can take the probability of A and multiply it by the probability of B, and I should get the probability of both A and B. Now, because 3/4 times 3/4 equals 9/16, 9/16 does not equal 1/2. So the events are dependent. And that is how I know.